Welcome back to the channel, Oliver's Musical Genius in Search of the Perfect Jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. Today I will be practicing a song called Electricity. Is that right? Yeah. Electricity by the Handshake. The Handshake.band. Link in the description as well. Links for everything in the description. The Handshake is one of my bands. I practiced the song I played the song once through, and then I use my Donner looper to create a loop so that I can, and then I improvise over the loop so that I can satisfy my commitment to playing for at least 10 minutes every single video on this channel as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. So, here we go. See your gesture, but no one's there. The fantasy begins, I become the air. No one's perfect, I know I'm not. With your fragile mind and my love's a shock. No one understands you, but sure I will. My ears are tuned to your grating trill. My eyes are open to your exotic ways. Shit. And my eyes are soft to your cuts and phrase. Electricity makes me be more than I can be, more than I can be. Electricity makes me be more than I can be. Be that someone where there was no one when you were talking. I hold your hand where there was no one when you were walking. I prove to everyone that you're okay. And all the violence that others claim will turn to play. Electricity makes me be more than I can be, more than I can be. Electricity makes me be more than I can be. My senses are my limit, that's all I'll ever be. Yeah, give it all I can give it, but what has it given me? Yeah, so I'm afraid I have to swim. The solution sets me free. Yeah, with the black string on the brim and the white ahead of me. Yeah. Electricity makes me be. Electricity makes me be. Electricity makes me be.